Welcome guys, welcome to another tutorial, and we're gonna do another tutorial on WWE 2K24. Right, today we're gonna fix the controller issues and the crashing issues, right? And we're also gonna show you how to get cross-platform working, right? All thanks to SILVERGENIX for the cross-platform fix, and SATYASOKEY for the controller and crashing fix, you understand? And we're just gonna work around his fix, because some people are still getting the crashing after the fix. It worked once and after I still gain problems, but I'll show you how to fix that problem today, right? And hopefully it works, guys, right? Because I tested many times and it worked for me. So guys, sit tight and let's get into the tutorial, right? Alright guys, we're gonna fix the crashing issue, right? The controller and crashing issue, right? So first go to the game location, and this fix for the crash issue was by SATYASOKEY, and the cross platform fix is by SILVERGENIX, right? These are two guys my Discord server, right? So to fix this issue, right, let's go to crash pad, right? Go to crash pad, right click, go to properties, right? Untick this, right? Then go to advanced, untick this, right? Apply to this folder only, right? Okay, and yeah, and that, right? So as you can see now, the folder is hidden, it is grayed out. Alright, and this for safety, we will delete that. Alright, and then we will start at the game and we'll see if we have a crashing issue, right? So let's start the game now. So guys, start out the game, because I really want to help people with this crashing problem. So this is our really tutorial, right? And I had deleted the game, but I downloaded it back again. So now we're gonna test out and see if it's working, guys, right? It was working for me, it wasn't giving me any issues when I tried that, and I played many times and I wasn't getting any crash issues again. So alright, alright guys, let's go to play one-on-one, confirm. Let's try her. Start. And hope that this does not crash, guys, because I tested it and it was working for me. Alright. Some say if you touch the keyboard, the controller wouldn't work, so we're gonna try that as well. So far, no crashing, guys. Keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed, guys. Oh my god, the game is gonna crash. Woo, it works. Alright, guys, so skip this. Wait a while. It will stick a bit, you know that. Skip it, guys. Skip that shit. And yep. Alright, the controller is working. I want to lower the volume, guys, because yeah, yes, the controller is working. Alright. Okay, right? Damn, shit. Okay. Alright, the controller is working. Look, I touched the keyboard here. The controller is still working. Alright, as you see here, I touched the keyboard, right? I touch the keyboard and I go back in the game and the controller is still working. So try that and see if it works, guys. Shit. Yes, no. Is the controller is still working? Ah, shit. No crashing, guys. No crashing so far. As you see, don't mind the sticking, guys. I'm recording. This is working perfectly because I'm recording. As you see, no crash, no crash. And some say if you restart the match, the game will crash, right? So let's restart the match. Restart the match. And it works. So that fixed the controller issue. Controller is still working. As you see, I'm using controller. Pause. So I'm using controller. This is controller I'm using here. You can see the A button and the B button, the controller I'm using. Don't mind the sticking, guys. Don't mind the sticking. It's because I'm recording the game. I'll just let you beat me up. So let's do a rematch. Alright. I'll let her beat me up so that I can do the rematch, right? Sometimes if you do a rematch, the game will crash. We're gonna test that now. I'll let her win, but the controller is working. Yeah, Bianca winner. She's a winner. So let's start the rematch now and see if it will work. Rematch, and you see, I did the rematch and the game did not crash. Alright, the controller is still working. As you see, I'm the girl in the black. I'm the girl in the black. Okay. So guys, that's for the controller. Controller is working. No controller issue again, guys. No crashing. As you see, I'm using controller, guys. As you see. As you see, controller is working and I have no crash. Sorry for the sticking, guys, because I'm recording, right? So that is how you fix the controller crash, guys, right? Alright, guys, now for the cross platform, right? Let's go online, community creations, right? Go to downloads and go to all, and you see 1998, right? That's all the creations, right? This is because I'm using my Steam ID, and you could find your Steam ID under your account. Just go to your account in your Steam page and you will see your Steam ID there. So I'm using my Steam ID, right? So now I'm going to use the cross platform ID, and you will see that the page number has changed to 36,000 something, right? So I'll show you how to do that now, right? Now exit here, exit the game, Alright, go to here. Alright guys, go to downloads. Right, this is the cross-platform text here. So you copy this ID, you copy this, right? Follow me, copy this. Go to users, username, app data. And if you're not seeing your Goldberg save, guys, go to view and check on hidden items, right? Go to options, here, change folder and search options, right? Go to view and check show hidden folders and drives, right? So you'll be able to see Goldberg save, right? So once you do that, press apply and OK. So go to C, users, username, app data, roaming, and you should be able to see Goldberg MUCs, right? Go to settings, user underscore Steam ID, go to here, delete your old ID, delete it, and place the cross-platform ID here. Right, it's supposed to be the same. Let's see. Alright, and then click save, right? Of course, I'll blot my Steam ID because I don't want you also to see my ID. So, okay. Now, go back into the game. Now, when you use the cross-platform ID, you will lose all your saves and everything. But guys, if you really want cross-platform, it's a sacrifice to make, right? I have sacrificed to remove my games to download this game to help you, alright? And I'll be keeping WWE 2K24 for a while. So sacrifices must made for what we want in life, guys. You must sacrifice for what you want, right? So if you want cross-platform, this is it. If you want to upload the images, you have to use your Steam ID, right? And guys, I'll be back because once I start this up now, it will start up with the music, right? And have to mute the music, so I will be back. Alright guys, we are here. Go to online, community creations, downloads. Alright, I think go to all, and right, as you see the message there, 3,002. See, so now we have cross-platform, guys. Now the cross-platform is working. Alright, now it's working, guys, so you could have all your most downloaded. You see, most downloaded, most upvoted. Go to page 2. So you could select what you want. Alright, select what you want, and you could download. Alright, so there you go, guys. Alright, cross-platform is working, and you could download your characters and stuff. And yeah, so I hope that this helps guys. I hope that this helps. And if you want help, guys, remember to join the Discord server, join my Discord server, and we will help you, right? So special thanks to SILVERGENIX and SATYASOKEY for helping out in the server. Big thanks for them. Alright, the shout out is for them. Thanks to them for helping out, guys, and we will go back and test one more time, guys, with the controller crash fix, right? So we will go to home, and we will start our game again to see if the controller fix is really fixed, right? We will do a 2-on-2, right? Alright, start the match, and let's see if the controller let's see if the game will crash. we start a different thing now with 2-on-2. Let's see if it will still crash, right? So let's keep our fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed, please don't crash. We're trying 2-on-2 now, tag team, guys, and if this doesn't crash, that means everything else should be working, right? So keep your fingers crossed, please don't crash. Oh my god, guys, please don't crash. My fingers is crossed. Alright, I'm gonna drink a cold beer and come back because I have a feeling it's gonna crash. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, guys, it did not crash. Well, let's still keep our fingers crossed. Still keep your fingers crossed, guys. Alright. Everything seems to be working, guys. Alright. Right, controller is working. Alright. It's working. Alright. And look at this, guys. I'm touching the keyboard, right? I'm touching the keyboard. Go to options, keyboard, input settings. Alright. Controller is still working. Alright, guys, everything is still working. No crash. Alright, no crash. Okay, guys, so far no crash, right? Controller is working good, no crash. As you see, no crash, guys. Alright, guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. Everything works, cross-platform works, controller works, everything works, guys. So thanks for watching. Join the Discord server, join by the hundreds, join by the 1,000, guys. I appreciate if you all join, right? So take care, guys, and bye. Love y'all. No homo. Stay safe, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video to come, right? Take care. Classic Games United out. Bye, guys. I forgot to say that before you try this crash fix, you have to upgrade to version 1.0 first. We have the fixed files in my Discord server, right? So join the server for the 1.03 patch. Apply the patch first, alright, and then apply my online fix, and then you could do the fix for the crashing and stuff, right? So upgrade the game first. Alright, so if you want the update, just join the Discord server and you'll get the update. Everything is free in the server, right? This is not for money. This is for educational purposes only, guys. Let's try and help you guys. So join the Discord server for that, right? So take care, guys, and I'll see you next one to come. Bye.